Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden rangba ka Voice of the People Party ba Ardent Miller basayo mo mentaka sngi ka hanyo trigo jeleo arjar arbusa. Ula pha yo kurwa ba sha menteri rangba ka jela Assam Himanta Biswas Sarma halor ka jingkren jong hakilat pathai khubor hagaba ula kenno bakala don ka wai kan niam kabala ya khun persya ya kinhon National Democratic Alliance balalam khmat ka BJP Meghalaya Manipur bat Nagaland. Laban kedua baka NDA kala syarem haki teki lai tri ki jilla haki election MP Lok Sabha kabadang syukut shen. Nakaliang ba Ardent ulaong ba Himanta uday ban Peit bat penbyang ya la ka Jong ka kam bat Peit tang ya ka seng la Jong. Uba Ardent ulaong ba Himanta don hok la kalong ha kanu kuno guru komru ban Batai Stad ya ki jingya day hapo ka jilla Meghalaya hadin baki election MP Jong ka Lok Sabha kala poi se ka bakun. Uba Ardent ulaong hagari kabalat loit kum ke India ki breu ki danya ka hok banjit ye uno ubreu kat ba udang day unong song snong jong kari bat ubala biang na ka benta ban tap food. Ulaong ru baki breu jong ka jela Meghalaya kim longsho ki badang kena ban tip syapang ka jing temu bat ki mat jong ki sengsan perthai ki be shim benta ha ki election MP bat kum ki nong song snong jong kari balat loit ki don ya ka hok banjit ya gano ka seng ka bakikwa ni mon. Nakaliang ba Ardent ula penrem jor halor ki jingken tho jong Himanta ubalaong badai na ka daw jong ka niam ka bala penlong ya ka kertong jong ka NDA ban rem ha ka election MP ka badang syudem. Uba Ardent ula paru ya kerwa uba syash o Himanta da ka baong baki balang Kristan hapo ka jela kim jia dan benta ha ka no ka kamsan perthai henrei kum ka jat benreu kan jit ye ka no ka seng ni kurtong ki badon ka jinget ka baskem bat burom ni ka riti sensar jong ka ri ki bamsha aliang ha ka niam badru ka seng ka bayada ye ka jing mentoy jong ki jat benreu rit pai. Uba Ardent ulaong ba amla ban khamilenti bakum ukristan un vot ne jit ya ne ka breu ki ba naka seng ka ba yang persya ya ka riti sensar jong ka ri ka ba amngat ha ka jinglong bam sya liang ha ka niam bat ka ba longru ka jingma ya ki jat penreo rit pai. Kumta nakaliang ba Ardent ula penrem ni ki jingkeno jong Himanta namara ba kilong ki bamday ki bam syong nong rim bat ki bam ya habru. Ulaong baka jingken tho jong Himanta kalong ban ya lambak lai ki pat ba bat ban penmi ya ka jing sngo ya pher bat ka jing bam ya sngo tho jingmut hapo ka ri baling ba ki jingkren jong kala kata aru ya ka jing sngo jong ki pat ba ka jela Meghalaya.
This is a message that I would like to send to Mr. Himanta Biswas Sharma, the Chief Minister of Assam, who seems to be a habitual loose talker, that he should mind his own business and should rather look at his own backyard. He has no right whatsoever to interfere into the affairs of the state of Meghalaya as far as the recent concluded parliamentary election is concerned. In a democratic country like India, the people of Meghalaya have the right to choose or elect any person as long as he is the citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe in the Constitution of India, respect the provision of the Constitution of India, believe in secularism, and the party that protects the interests of the minority communities. Therefore, you cannot expect that as a Christian, I will vote or elect a person who belongs to a party that stands against the Constitution of India, that is not circular, and which is also a threat to the minority in the country. And that is the right of every citizen to decide. Therefore, I strongly condemn his statement, which was not the fact, which was unfounded, baseless, and communal in nature. His statement, to my mind, was only to mislead the people and try to create communal disharmony in the country. And I'm sure that his many statements have really brought shame to the people of Assam and has greatly affected the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. So once again, I condemn his statement, and it is unbecoming on the part of the Chief Minister.